Alrighty, kids. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a nice Easter. I'm actually recording this on Good Friday, but hope you're doing well in this strange, strange time. Okay. All right. So today is our last day to work our um, on our projects. Okay. So a couple things here. First off, what's the question of the day? Well, the question of the day is, what is a celebrity testimonial? And I start off by showing you this Shaquille O'Neal. Because let me tell you something. If you've got a question about car insurance, we all know who do you talk to? Shaquille O'Neal, right? Okay, so what that is right there, by the way, is a celebrity testimonial. Okay, and that's kind of a celebrity testimonial in its extreme form. Basically, a celebrity testimonial is when a celebrity tells you a product is wonderful. In this case, it's Shaq. He's talking about car insurance there, Shaq. All right. Now, of course, he's being paid to do this. Okay. So when you have a celebrity testimonial, someone that everyone knows is telling everyone that a product is great. Um, and in some cases, it can be rather random. I don't know why you would talk to Shaquille O'Neal about your awesome car insurance, but apparently he's someone people trust. All right, so today we're going to finish up on the Confucius slideshows. Okay, and you know, and one of the final parts of this assignment is is basically to have celebrity testimonials. People say that your product is awesome. Okay, all right. So, anyways, I wanted to, as you guys hopefully recall, on this assignment, you have a couple things that you got to do, okay? And I put the template up here, all right? So just to kind of remind you, okay, your final product, you need this. 8 slides total, one title slide, 5 motivational slides, one explaining who Confucius was with a picture of him, and then 3 celebrity testimonials, okay? You are supposed to be done with the title slide and the motivational slides, okay? Um, so, uh, and then you also have to do, so today what you'll do is the biographical ones and the celebrity testimonials, okay? All right, so some pretty good examples here I wanted to show. All right, Maya Lietzma, good job here. Okay, it says focused person wins the game, unfocused person wins shame. All right, good. By the way, it rhymes. That's wonderful. It doesn't have to rhyme. Now, one thing I did do, um, a lot of kids had the word value up here. Okay, all right, get rid of the word value when you do this. Okay, all right, so that's part of the template. So go ahead and get rid of that if you turn it in. All right, generosity. This comes from Addie Hale. Good work, Addie. If you share your food, you will be treated well in return. If you hoard all the food, your greed will cause problems. Good work. All right. And then we have generosity. All right. This comes from John Dugan. Okay. There's a picture of a pencil. They who shares personal belongings will help others make more friends. Okay. All right. Then we have hard work. Okay. He who cleans his room before they go to bed won't have to clean it until they make a mess again. Okay, and respect. By the way, that comes from McKenna D. St. Jean. Good work, McKenna. Okay, and then we have respect. He who stays home when they're sick shows respect for his fellow cat kind. All right, so hopefully this is starting to make some sense to you. Okay, um, so you're getting a feel for this. That's kind of how these motivational slides should be. Okay, and it's supposed to read kind of like a book, which gets us to the final part here. Okay, so when you turn this in, by the way, get rid of all the stuff that I put down. Okay, so I want to see your 8 slides. I don't want to see your or the slides that I've created. Okay, all right, so then we get back here. I want you guys to do a biographical slide, who is Confucius, and you're going to put 4 facts about him. Okay, so you have a picture of him. That, by the way, is not Confucius, that's Yanni. Okay, all right, so you'll find a picture to put in. So let's see here. I've got my pictures. Let's see, pictures. Let's see what we could use. All right, so we've got, oh, wow, we've got Hulk Hogan. We got All right, there's a picture of the charger that I use. Maybe we'll do. Oh wow, you could use. Oh no, never mind. Okay, that's not Confucius. Let's see here. Here we go. Okay, so you could use, for instance, this picture. All right, um, so if I'm doing this Confucius assignment, all right, so I insert a slide or image. Okay, I upload it from my computer, and I would upload probably the picture actually of Confucius. Okay, and there it is. Okay, all right, I'd probably get rid of this too. Okay, so here we go. I'll delete the old one, and here we have our picture of Confucius. Hey, wait. Oh, well, at some point I'll get this picture to work, but basically you'll put a picture of Confucius here, and then you'll give 4 facts. Okay, then we have the celebrity testimonials. Okay, so this is when a famous person says that your product is awesome. Okay, now I know this is a slideshow, not a product, but it's supposed to read kind of like a book. Okay, this actually assignment began as like a book. So I have here. I wish my dad would have read this. He would be less obnoxious, and my name wouldn't be a direction. And that comes from Northwest. Yes, Kanye West's daughter. Now, she didn't really say that. This is fictional, okay? All right. But believe it or not, Kanye West actually named his daughter Northwest, okay? All right. So, anyways, that's what you guys should have, all right? So it could be anything. You can go down the route of, sports, celebrities, music, okay? All those things would be okay for this, okay? All right, so hopefully this makes sense. Feel free to email me if you have any questions, and I would expect this to basically be done, and then we'll be moving on to other aspects of China.